Hi, my name is Mr. Dunn. I'm going to be your substitute teacher. I'm going to tell you guys a science story. You guys ready? So what science thing we're going to be talking about today is we're going to be talking about trees and their leaves. You see them every day, but you don't really realize what they can do. But if you take a leaf and you really look at it, it's really interesting. If you take a leaf under the microscope and you look, you'll see all these little dots. Those are cells, but they're called chloroplasts. Are they green? No, they look like glass balls all around. Inside of there, they're little dots. They're called, oh, hold on, I'll get this right. It's called chlorophyll. That's green little spots all over the place. If you look inside of that, it's like a food factory. Now, what kind of food does it make? It makes sugar. But how does it get the stuff to make the food? It's from the sun. And that gives it energy to have the factory run. So when we breathe out carbon dioxide, CO2. The leaf absorbs all of that. It takes in that carbon dioxide and it makes carbohydrates, which is like sugar. And that keeps the tree alive. So it's interesting, if the sun's out but it's cloudy or it's dark, the tree will take water from the roots. You know, water's H2O. It's got one oxygen and two hydrogens. The factory will take the hydrogen away and use it for almost like electricity to kind of make the food factory run. And then what happens with the oxygen is it goes back out into the air so that we can bring it in. So the CO2 comes in, it helps the factory run, and then the oxygen goes out in the air. It's a cycle. You guys know syrup, it comes from trees. When you cut open a tree, it's kind of sticky. That's sugar. It keeps the tree running. It's really cool. The tree, it's a quiet factory. If you think about a regular factory, it's really loud, noisy, and smelly. But the tree, it's a quiet factory. It's nice, it's quiet, it's really interesting.